Hi everybody, today I want to show you a really great tool that gives you free cool fonts. So if you want to spice up your bio in Instagram, it's a really great way to use it. And this is the website. It's called coolphonesorg, and as you can see, you have different kind of fonts that you can choose from. I want to show you, like for example, and here you go, you have all the fonts that you can see here, and you can just copy it or you can actually decorate it. So I find it's really cool. You just press decorate it and it will gives you really great options, and I really like this one. So another thing that you can find in this website is all kinds of icons, I guess you can say. So all these faces that you can choose from, and also you can have a text art, which is really cool, like hearts and all kinds of other options. And decorated I already showed you, and you can have a big text. So here you can just type whatever you want. We will go with the same line, and you can see these options. What else can we see? We have the symbols, which is cool. You can just copy paste here. You have plenty to choose from. And character count, this is if you need to use a certain amount of characters, you can do it over here and just start. And it will give you all the information that you need. So yeah, this is the website, this is the tool. I hope it gives you a little bit of help, and thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribe to my channel, and I see you soon.